Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, and this is Saturday Live from a remote location. And usually I don't go live from home. If I'm not home, I don't go live, but today is an exception, and let's see how this live stream goes up. And hopefully YouTube will send notification. Hey Bebo, what's up? It's all good. Hey Parul, hey Nikhil, hey Rahul. Hey, how are you? Short of shuffling. I'm good. How are you guys? Took a couple of flights, and right now I'm in Patna, IIT Patna, which is pretty good campus. Pretty good. Newly established, but pretty good. So, how's it going on? Yes, I am in Patna right now. I do have a talk tomorrow. So, yes, I will be giving a talk tomorrow, and then we'll be flying back home. Okay, so hey, hello Sivaram. Hi everybody. Hi Shubonil. Hi SD Rockstar. Hello sir, welcome here. Thank you so much. Patna is a really warm city and gave me a really good welcome here. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. So, okay. Where in Patna? I am in IIT Patna, so you can Google that location quickly. And tomorrow is the talk in their fest. So I guess they are accepting students from outside of the college as well. They are providing bus service as well, as I came to know today. So sir, do you hire freshers, bachelor's tech candidate? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. If there's a good talent who would like to work, mention that you have created these apps, I'm really happy. I get super happy when students show me the product that they have created. This is all I want, and I love, enjoy this process when somebody using my tutorials or using my courses create projects. And just to give you an idea, recently I got an email from a student who said that I have made more than $1,000 in 2 months using your course only. So I've created an app, and based on that, I have earned that. It's pretty good that you are spending just like 799 or 800 rupees, and you're making that much. So it's a pretty good deal, I guess. So Ankit Srivastav, I am also at Patna. Welcome. You may join my talk as well. Can I meet you in Patna? Yes, of course. That's why I am here. Everybody can meet me at Patna. I will be staying at the campus even after the talk as well. I came here to meet you guys. Otherwise, I would be at my home, working for a client, making some money. That's that's what I would love to do. But I love to meet you guys as well. That's why I'm here. I would love to meet each and everyone. Would like to see what you are all building up, what project you are working on, whatever you have to share with me. I would love to listen there and probably provide some mentorship on that. I would love to do that. What's the timing of your clock? What's the timing of your talk? I believe it's around 11:30 or so, and they're providing bus service as well, buffering. And the internet speed in the guest house is a little bit like okay, it's not even good enough. But in the academy, they do have good speed. Sadly, I cannot be in academia as of now. Usually, all the IITs, I believe, they do have a contract of getting 1 Gbps. So I guess this one also should have 1 Gbps, but not in the guest house, not in the guest house. So yeah. So any internship opportunity in machine learning? I'm working employee and parallelly want to do internship. Hey Abhilash, yes, we are planning something, but there are some setbacks. We have some other priorities that came up. So yeah, just like that. So very soon we'll announce that all these things. When you're coming to Bangalore, I have a meeting still pending in Bangalore. I want to talk to my developers. Definitely, very soon I'll be in Bangalore. Probably we can see a small get together at a mall or a coffee shop. Surely we'll be doing that. But definitely Bangalore is like, uh, okay. Bhai, shout out Varnan Nambi. Okay, shout out to you guys. Okay, so please come to Chennai and recruiter in Chennai. I was recently in Chennai. I didn't posted that, but I was in Chennai recently. The college was actually the college said to me that it's a private event for our students only, and that's why I was not allowed to post much of that. But now the event is over, I can say it. So yeah, I was there. Where are you from, Rajasthan? I am from the capital of Rajasthan. That's Patna. It's a beautiful city. You should visit that. Okay, thank you. Come to Bangalore. I live here. Yes, we will. I will be there in Bangalore very soon. I have a very much planned to go as quickly as possible. Do a collab with Naveen Reddy. I am in touch with Naveen on WhatsApp. We talk a lot. And I was planning to go to Mumbai, meet him, probably catch him on a coffee. But then I thought, definitely I will be going up there. Probably. I'm not sure about the collab or something. Probably we'll do that, but definitely we'll have a coffee or something. I would love to meet that guy. We are continuously on touch on WhatsApp. He's a pretty good guy. We talk a lot. We talk a lot there. Okay. So when you come to Pondicherry, bro, very soon, Pondicherry, are you inviting over me there for a vacation? I would love to be there because it's almost about a vacation time for me. Okay, so somebody's asking, should I learn Angular or MVC? I would recommend go for Angular. If you're just looking for two only of them, I would recommend go for Angular. Sir, have you subscribed to PewDiePie? I haven't subscribed. I don't spend much of the time on YouTube in like regularly following few people apart from Casey and Peter. But yes, I have seen a lot of videos of PewDiePie. I can how can you resist that guy? He's so raw. So that's why I have seen a lot of videos of him. How to stay disciplined? Till the end of this year. In case you don't know, I've been following a day stream of working every single day. It's been almost like more than 300 days that I haven't taken a single day off. I've been posting every single day on my Facebook and working every single day, whether that's the beaches of Santorini or live from Patna. I've been working every single day. But now it's being a little bit tiring. I probably need to get some rest for a few days or something. But yeah, so far this year has been extremely productive for me, and that's what I did. Please read my question. You didn't wrote any question. Okay, what are you doing in my hometown? I'm just enjoying weather. Technical Priyansh, shout out to Technical Priyansh, as you said. Okay, so which antivirus do you use? I don't use any, not even a single antivirus. Most of the time, I'm either on Ubuntu for some of the stuff and stuff like that, or I'm on a Mac. So I don't use any antivirus at all. I don't open up any malicious email or links like that. So it's not a good habit to not have an antivirus, but I don't have any. Still working just like that. So no antiviruses at all. Sir, join gym. You becoming fat. It's actually camera. It's not like I'm getting fat. I'm already hitting the gym every single day, and I'm bulking up a bit. So yeah, I'm gaining some muscles. So yeah, that's why you might be feeling that. Okay, tell us something about you. How did you start? That's actually going to be a bit longer talk, probably for an offline event. Okay, continue Flutter series, please. I really wish to continue the Flutter series, and in fact, after this, I'm ending up all of my travel plans. Yep, I'm doing so, and I'm ending up all of the travel plans. I would love to continue back onto the Flutter series and all these stuffs that I really want to do. So, killing up a lot of talks that I thought I will be giving up, but I want to go back. I want to focus again back on making videos. And there are two major updates that are coming up in the upcoming months. We want to totally focus on that. So yes, that's the plan as of now. We will be working on that. Okay. So take care of your health. Join gym. I'm already into gym subscription. Everybody is. Okay. Do you watch ISL? I have no idea what ISL is. I don't watch that. Should I watch that? I would love to see your thoughts. Okay. Suddenly the lighting is changing quite a lot. Too much of heating issue with Mac Mini. Mac Mini is like too much old. device. I started with the Mac Mini. It was my second Mac device. First was MacBook, but then I moved to Mac Mini. I enjoyed it for a really long time. But right now, the Mac Mini is too much outdated. Probably they will update that in this fall, probably in this. So hopefully. So please come to IIT BBSR. I've been into BBSR a few months ago. It was for it's not at all possible. It's not good quality. I cannot record videos while I'm on travel or on the go, meetings, client work. I cannot do that at all. And I have realized that now that I should go back and just like that. Will you again visit Turkey? Oh, I would love to. I have Turkey was like the most amazing holidays I've ever spent, especially the Cappadocia, whatever you call that. I love being there. I would love to be again in the Turkey. Lagging a lot. Yeah, I know the connection is not very strong, but we have to be there. PUBG, no, I don't play PUBG. I don't. All of my friends play, but I don't. This entire month was almost dedicated to travel. I have traveled like a crazy person, like sometimes taking two, three flights in a day. That is like too much on me. Any internships on hacking? Yes, of course. I guess we do have internships on. One is on ethical hacking, and another one is on web development. One is on Android, and one is going to be on blockchain machine learning. It's kind of a mixed module that we are trying to prepare. We've already prepared all of that. The entire team has been working really, really hard. So hopefully, we will announce that very soon once we finish the updates that we have planned for the next month to roll out in our app. So hopefully, inform us before reaching Pondicherry. Yes, definitely. If I'll be there, I will be there for holidays. Nothing at all. Pondicherry is must to have holiday. Love from Canada. Are you visiting Canada? But surely, once you reach from Canada, probably you can take a flight and can join me up there. I'll announce that in very. But right now, I'm applying for a visa for a couple of countries, and let's see how it goes. So keep it up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey, by the way, in case you have guys haven't liked this video, go ahead like that. And I guess some of you are still not aware of our recent project, which is uicolorpicker.com. In case you haven't visited that and haven't used that, go ahead. Open uicolorpicker.com. It's an amazing website, amazing colors. So make sure whenever you create any project for web, Android, iOS, ML, whatever you are building up any interface, just try to use those colors. It's going to look pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure of that. I'm pretty sure. So go ahead, use that. uicolorpicker.com. Go ahead, use that. It's free, ad free, nothing at all. Just a gift to the community of amazing people like you, amazing programmers. Somebody says love from Earth. Thank you so much. Uh, to stay. सर क्या मैं एम टेक करूं या फिर जॉब करूं आफ्टर बी टेक hey Madhav, thank you so much for the super chat. It all depends what you really want to do, whether you want to learn more through academy, through working in a company or a startup. I believe you learn a lot more in companies and startup when you do a job or something. Pressure is definitely high, but yes, definitely you. I would recommend go and work for something like. Okay, so of people just wrote some mean comment on that video. Turns out all I was saying in that Oracle Java 11 has changed its license and now it's paid. I never talked about IBM's version of JDK or Oracle's version of JDK. They were always there. I don't know why sudden love came all over the globe. They were free for like last 10 years ago as well, but nobody went on to the open JDK and downloaded that and installed that. Everybody was going onto Oracle website and downloading it. And all I said in this on that video is licenses change, and it can be really tricky if somebody is just following the flow of going Oracle website and downloading and using it in their project. It can be dangerous. This is all I said. And people just didn't even watch the video, just went into the comment section and just like that, hey, It used to hurt a little bit, but now it's like all funny stuff because people don't even listen. They just make up their mindset and comes up with that I'm going to do this. Moreover, you should come as an open mind and try to understand what others are saying and like that. Okay, some people, yeah. Okay, so let's pick up a couple of more questions. Hi, I am from Patna. Hi, Vikas, how are you? I'm in your city. Okay, so Java versus Node.js. Again, whenever you say anything about Java, people just write bashing things on the comment section. But yes, of course, Java is like one. Uh, it's not fair comparison, to be honest. Java is a programming language. Node.js is the entire tech stack, so it's not a fair comparison even. And of course, why to pick up one language or anything? It all and at the end of the day, it all comes up with what tech stack is best for your application that you're building up. Most of the tech stacks are just like you don't even care what Uber is being designed in. You don't care if it is React Native or just native application. All you care is that you want to install it at your home, and that's pretty much it. So don't take these programming languages and stack with too much of the hurt. Just go for the application that you are building up. Probably for your application, Java is amazing. Probably for your application, Node is amazing. So go for that. And you see, hi Vikas, how are you? Yeah, so go for that. How can we meet? You can meet me up tomorrow. So going for that. Okay. After Python, which framework? I recommend to check out my Django course. It's pretty amazing, and that's a pretty good framework. Django is pretty good, pretty rock solid. Okay. Scope of TensorFlow in freelance. Freelancing and machine learning are still not coping up. I'm not saying anything like machine learning is not having scope or something. Yes, definitely it has a great scope. It's just rocking the market right as of now, but definitely not much in the freelancing because with the machine learning, TensorFlow, data science, all of that, you require some of the crucial data, and companies are not willing right now to share these kinds of data with just any freelancers. They rather like to hire that person and do analysis and all these things in house. So don't expect much jobs there will be out in the freelancer because it's a data driven market. Don't compare what Google is doing to you right now, and it's not even in the highlights. So yes, this is what is happening, and these TensorFlow machine learning, they are not very much out in the open. So in the freelancer market, they are not here, and probably will not be as I think so in a couple of years at least. Okay, so Mac need antivirus or not? Debatable question. Surely everything needs antiviruses because viruses may hit you probably whenever you least expect them, then they can hit you. I don't use them. I don't think so. That's going to be required. It's lagging quite a lot actually. Um, So let's pick up a couple of more questions. What is the scope of game development in India? Best of luck. It's your exam, so nail it down. And you can probably just go and study right now if it is your exam. React or Angular first? I believe that React should be the first one because it's much more easier, lightweight, small to learn. And then you can apply all these knowledge into React Native as well, build mobile apps. So yeah, React is like all fun. Okay, sir. Okay. Pick Mac or Windows. Okay. Why also controversial questions today? I'll pick Mac. I'll pick Mac. Any day, I'll pick Mac. Because on a Mac, I actually work. On Windows, I actually usually care about either installation of the updates or probably about the blue screen. On the Mac, I just sit down and work, and that's what I love. Is your ML courses enough? No, not at all. It's just a good right start. My ML course is very detailed. Surely it's going to be the perfect start, almost perfect start. It will talk about Python, the brushing up skills, then libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then about talking about machine learning algorithms. So it will give you enough scope and everything that you can learn things on your own. Surely, you will require a lot more books and research paper to go through further from that, but it's going to be a perfect start and it's going to be a good for you to get started. So that's all I can say. No course or no book on this planet is like enough. I should not learn more. It's going to be a perfect start, and after that, obviously, you have to learn. Okay, so screen flow or quick time. Screen flow. Screen flow. Quick time is nowhere near the screen flow. Okay. If hacker knows my IP address, what can he do with my computer? Tons of things. Tons of things. Things you don't want to even imagine in your nightmare. So stay away from that path. You don't want to expose your IPs to these hackers. They are pretty massive. They are pretty crazy. Very knowledgeable, of course, but they can just crack down anything. So don't want to do that. Job opportunity in Patna. I've been in Patna like for a few hours only. I don't know what's the job opportunity here. I don't even know the city yet. Okay. Is Mac good for everything? So far, I've been using it for like last 4 years, or guess so, something like that. I've been doing everything on Mac, and I think never faced any problem. Can I do ML in Java? Uh, I'm not sure. Why won't you do that? Why do you want to use ML in Java when other great languages are there like Python, R, or right now JavaScript is also getting their hands dirty. So why would I like if I had to make an Android app, I would never use Python. I would never touch it. But if I have to go for machine learning, I would obviously pick up Python or R. So these languages are just tool. Don't hesitate to switch. Loops are same, functions are same. A few syntax just changes out. So don't be that guy that I'm gonna do everything in just one language. No, it doesn't work like that. You're onto a very wrong path if you're doing that. That I'm gonna just pick a language and do everything in that. So yeah. Nice hotel, sir. This is just a guest house. This is not a hotel. This is guest house. Yeah, but it's good. It's nice. It's decent. Uh, Why don't you do intensive research in deep learning? I'm not into intensive research. The last time I did intensive research was on NS3 with C++. I got bored, like hell bored in that. I don't want to go into the depth of this research until unless somebody's funding me. Surely we can go with that path. But as of now, I want to explore more technologies like Flutter, Node, Django, React Native. I love to work on these paths, or probably I'll explore TensorFlow or Keras. I would love to explore these instead of that. Who will you vote in election? Have to still think a lot about it. It's my valuable vote, so still have to think a lot about it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Lots of love from Nepal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chetan. Any Marvel movie you like the most? In the movies, Marvel is really making a lot of amazing stuff. But still, my all-time favorite is DC, which is movie, in especially. Like I love Marvel, by the way. In the DC, the Batman series is like they nailed it down. They also do have a fantastic character that they are not picking up, which is Superman, but they are not picking it up. Come on, DC, you can do that. Okay, so doing research under German professor preferable, of course, of course. Germany has a lot of new things. They have done a lot of remodification in employing the foreigners as well. So right now they are saying that we don't even require any specific degrees for you to come and research or to come and work in our companies. They have dropped it down to just the schooling level according to their recent updates. So if you are getting a chance of working under a professor in Germany, you should definitely go for that. But make sure you take a few classes of how to speak German first. It's going to be super helpful, and you can quickly and easily get absorbed in the companies in Germany pretty quickly. One of my friends is actually doing that, and I just came to know all these government details through him only. But again, it depends on if you want to get settled in Germany or not. Sometimes countries are more preferable as compared to other stuff. Like for me, I would always love to stay here as compared to moving abroad. For some of you, they might want to move abroad. They might not like this country as much. They want to move abroad. There's nothing wrong in that. It's your personal preference, personal views. So go ahead, explore that. Okay. How you learn data structure and algorithm? I studied it actually 2, 3 times from the same book. I've applied it a lot of time. I have mentioned that in one of my videos where I said must buy books for programmers. I studied that a couple of times. In fact, I do run a 10 days camp for data structure and algorithm, and I'm trying to bring that offline course online very soon. Hopefully, how it goes. Let's just see. Let's just see. Somebody says PHP market in India skyrocket. To be honest, skyrocket PHP market. In India, the only thing that works is PHP. It works heavily. It's again lagging a lot. So I guess we are already like 27 minutes or something. I'm a little bit tired, want to get some sleep after 2 flights back to back. I'm a little bit tired, would love to sleep. Tomorrow I have an amazing talk, which I think if you get an opportunity to come to Celesta in IIT Patna, go ahead, do that. Make sure you hit that like button as well. I need a lot of love today. I'm really tired. I hope you will press that like button and leave some nice comments there. But that's it. Let me just get some sleep today. And thank you so much for joining up. I hope some of you got the answers and were able to take some of my experience out and will do something amazing. So, regardless of whatever your learning resources, make sure you keep on learning because with the learning, you can make your life better. And that's exactly what I really want. And of course, don't forget to visit uicolorpic.com, an amazing resource. And of course, my website, learncodeonline.in. So that's it. Good night, everybody. Good night, Rishikesh. Good night, Chinmay. Good night, Phenomenal Vikas. Good night, Shashank, Vishnu. Good night, Technical Priyansh, Ankit, Gaurav Nagar. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone. And hopefully, we'll catch you up in the next video.